Can't imagine life without your smartphone? We can totally relate. Today, we'll show you how to have a good time without ever parting with your phone. This is a new collection of life hacks for your favorite gadget. How can we deal with those rogue headphones? They just keep tangling up into a ball of wires. Let's make a unique headphone holder in the shape of a donut. Using a glass screen and a paper template, squeeze out the hot glue in a donut shape. Smooth it out. We'll need 2 of those donuts. Draw a ring with hot glue on the inner part of one of them. Glue the pieces together. Add a colorful glaze and some candy sprinkles. Now we can easily wrap our headphones around the holder. Looks delicious! Do not confuse this donut with the real deal. Transparent cases have been out of fashion for quite a while. But don't worry, with a hot glue gun, you can easily fix the situation. Let's change the phone's look by adding some legs to it. With them, the case will become a stylish and functional accessory. Get a glue stick and cut 2 pieces, 1.5 centimeters each. Put some shoes on those legs. Draw some feet in hot glue and stick them to the legs. Attach the legs to the case. This phone doesn't even need a stand anymore. It can stand on its own. We can create a nice shade in our room with this lamp made out of hot glue sticks. We'll need 4 of those sticks. Cut them at a 45-degree angle. Glue them together. Put them next to a phone flashlight. The bright flash gets dampened by the semi-transparent glue sticks, and the lighting in the room suddenly becomes a lot cozier. Do you like Lego blocks? Today, we'll build a nice and handy phone stand. Build a small brick wall on the base. Put a couple more Lego blocks right next to the wall. Now that our phone is securely fixed in place, we can continue watching our favorite channel. Another quick way of making a phone stand would be using a plastic card and some binder clips. Bind the clips to 3 sides of the card. Place the phone between the handles of the binder clips, and it's done before you can even say the word holder. Time to start your playlist! Your headphones are playing twisted tricks with you again. Don't waste your time trying to untangle them. Just watch our next life hack. We'll show you how to make a stylish headphone holder out of some ordinary pins. Add some decorative tape to your wooden pins. Glue them together facing opposite directions. And it's done! The misbehaving headphones are now pinned firmly in place. You're going to need a soda can and a playful mood. Using a knife, cut off the bottom of the can. Outline the shape of the can on a thick piece of colored paper and cut it out. Use a template to cut out a star in the middle of the circle and glue our paper lens to the bottom of the can. Turn on the flashlight on the phone and place the can next to the light so that it shines through. It's your time to shine, like a star! But beware, for the night is dark and full of terrors. Ah! A spider! And if you enjoyed playing in the dark, then you'll very much enjoy our next life hack as well. The good old fidget spinner and some colorful balloons are going to be the stars of the show. Take out the weights from the spinner. Ooh, now it's spinning even faster. Cut off the tip of a balloon and pull it on the end of the spinner. Cut off the excess material. Attach the spinner to the back of the phone so that the outer hole of the spinner is right next to the camera flash. Turn on the flashlight. Wow, it's just like a disco party. But where's the music? It's time to dance. But this party is still missing something. Let's add some more lights and colors. Fill some balloons with water. Don't fill them up completely so that they're easier to seal. Turn on the flashlight and place the balloons on the light. Glowing balloons! There's definitely something magical about that. Tired of those bright lights and colors? Maybe it's time to get some sleep. We've got an idea for a very mellow night lamp. With some scissors, shrink a plastic straw and make 4 cuts on the base. Unfold the plastic petals. Tape the straw to the flashlight on the phone. Turn it on. This light is so relaxing and calming. Where's my pillow? The dinosaur fight is getting out of hand. Someone is definitely not getting out alive. Poor Dino! But don't say goodbye to your dino friend just yet. With a stationary knife, cut the toy in half. Attach a suction cup. Now, your phone grew a cool tail. A real Jurassic phone. For our next life hack, we're going to need a headband and a thick elastic clothesline. Measure and cut 2 pieces of clothesline the size of your phone. Hot glue the pieces to the inside of the headband. Turn it back out, and it's done. Now you can multitask. For example, talk to your friend and do your makeup at the same time. Let's make a smartphone holder from 3 self-sticking hooks. Attach 2 hooks to a shelf or a wall by the bed. Glue 1 more hook from above. Insert the phone into the holder and turn on Troom Select. With this life hack, viewing our videos became even more enjoyable. In our next life hack, we'll show you how to turn your phone into a cool nightlight. We're going to need a balloon. Fill it up with water and place it on a glass. This will make it easier to work with. Apply some greasy cream onto the balloon. Using hot glue, draw a wavy pattern on the surface. Once the glue is cured, pop the balloon and drain the water. We end up with a slightly weird and stretched out silicone balloon. Turn on the flashlight on your phone and place our lampshade on top of it. The room fills up with a nice glow, and we can even see some fun patterns on the walls. Did your headphones break down? Let's make a cute berry plug out of them while you're browsing for new ones. Make an opening in a small plastic ball. Glue in the old headphone jack. Make some dots of red hot glue on the surface of the ball. Add some plastic leaves. What a cute little berry we've got there! This plug turns off the speakers and your phone won't be making any noise during class. Don't want to think where to put your phone while it's charging? The Super Sock comes to the rescue. Make a cut in one side of the sock. Put the phone into the newly formed bag and hang it on the charger. Fast and easy. What's your favorite color? Mine is rainbow. Let's make a phone stand in the shape of a rainbow floating on some clouds. Get a couple of thick sheets of cardboard. Outline a template of the rainbow. Cut it out. Do the same with a thick piece of styrofoam. Glue the cardboard sides to the styrofoam. Make a groove to the thickness of the phone. Decorate the face wall with EVA foam of all colors of the rainbow. Attach some cute clouds to the base of the rainbow. Glue some red EVA foam on the sides. You don't have to wait for the rain to enjoy a beautiful rainbow, and the phone looks very comfy inside. And if your headphones seem too boring, you can decorate them with some threads. Knitting or mulling threads would be perfect. Wind different colors of thread onto the headphones wire. This will not only add some color to them, but also protect them from overbending. Stop using everything nearby as a phone stand. It's so inconvenient. Let's make a flashy pop socket that looks like an eye. Cut off the base of a bottle cork. Paint the top in white. Draw a blue pupil. Fill in the top eyelid. Add some transparent lacquer to make it look more realistic. Glue a strip of ribbon eyelashes. A stunning look. Make a small groove in the base of the cork and hot glue a suction cup. Done! Now your phone won't slip out of your hands anymore. Big Sister is watching you. May the Force be with you! The fans of the Dark Lord Darth Vader will surely appreciate this themed phone plug. We're going to need a Star Wars edition Kinder Egg and some broken headphones. Cut off the headphone jack. Open the egg to get the good part. We'll just need the Sith Lord's head. Completely remove the insulation from the headphone jack. Using a soldering iron, make a groove in the toy. Secure the jack inside the groove with hot glue. Insert the plug into the port on the phone. Turn to the dark side. We've got cookies. What shall we do with this wild animal? We've got an idea! Transfer the outline of your phone onto the toy. Make a wide cut on the back with a sharp knife. Insert the phone. The superphone stand is ready. Time to turn on your favorite show. Subscribe to Troom Select, hit the like button and press on the bell icon to get a notification whenever we upload a new video.